Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of some PR packages that I got recently. I have 6 packages in total, and one is a skincare product and the other 5 packages are going to be makeup products. So I'm just going to start with the skincare item, which is from Good Molecules. Okay, so this is the Good Molecules Matcha Dual Phase Cleansing Oil. Cleansing oils are great for removing makeup and SPF, however most leave a greasy film or strip your skin. The residue makes your second cleanse harder and you end up with skin that feels tight. That's why we created the Good Molecules Matcha Dual Phase Cleansing Oil. Simply shake to activate. The 2 phases work together to dissolve stubborn makeup and sunscreen. Your skin rinses clean without feeling dry. We also added antioxidant rich matcha tea extract to keep your skin feeling calm and comfortable. Our new cleansing oil is fragrance free, vegan, and has a pH of 5.5, and you do get a 100ml bottle for only $12. So yes, this is the Good Molecules Matcha Dual Phase Cleansing Oil. Can't wait to try this. I usually use cleansing balm to remove my makeup, so I'm going to start using this cleansing oil also. So now the next package we have is from Milkmakeup. So you have this very cute white makeup bag. The white kind of scary, but this is those easily wipeable fabrics, so if it gets messed up with makeup, we could just like wipe it off. So these are all the products. I'm going to go through the products and show you all everything that I got. First we have the Milk Hydro Grip Gel Face Tint. So this is how the skin tint looks. A long wear gel skin tint with hydrating hyaluronic acid and gripping blue agave extract for breathable light coverage with a natural dewy finish. I see a lot of good reviews on this, so I can't wait to try this. I got the shades 11 and 12. Next we have the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This is one of my favorite primers, and thankfully I always get a top up, so I can never run out. The last one I had, somebody teeth it, so I am very happy to get back another one. This is a Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Next we have the Milk Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Spray. This is also something that I love. I love to use this like within makeup steps. So like if I'm blending out my foundation, I want to like spray my face with a setting spray, this is the spray that I would usually use. It's like great spray for in between your makeup. Alright, so this is the Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Setting Spray. Next we have the Milk Hydro Grip Gel Concealers. I have it in the shades 9.5 and 10. This is a new product for me. I haven't tried this, so I'll be trying this with the skin tint. Now we have the Milk Cooling Water Jelly Tint. I have it in the shades Chill and Splash. I actually have these 2 already. Next we have the Kush Big Hit Volumizing Mascara. This is also one of my favorite products from them. I actually use it today on my lashes. A favorite product of mine. Another favorite product is be sending me top up, so it's just like stuff that I always have. This is the Milkmakeup Kush Brow Lamination Gel. Now for the last item, this is the Milkmakeup Odyssey Lip Oil Gloss, and I have it in the shade Work Trip. Right. This is a very pretty color. It's my kind of color. Alright, so this is the shade Work Trip. So that's all the products of Milkmakeup. So now the next 3 packages are going to be from Morphe brushes. So this is the first one we have. This is the Morphe Bake and Set Loose Powder Quads. Our best-selling powders now in curated quads for effortless customization, and we have 2 different quads. So we have one for lighter skin and we have one for darker skin. So the first quad we have is called Bright Balance, and this is for fair to medium skin tones. We have the shade Brightening Pink, which corrects blue and green tones, Brightening Lavender, which brightens and corrects yellow tones, Banana, which corrects pink and purple tones, and lastly we have Translucent, which sets with a sheer soft focus finish. So the next one we have is called Rich Harmony, and this is for tan to deep skin tones. First shade we have is called Sienna, which corrects blue tones. We also have Brightening Peach, which also corrects blue tones, Translucent Rich, which sets with a sheer soft focus finish and a hint of tint, and Sunflower, which corrects blue and purple tones. Lastly we have a little powder puff. Right, so that's it for the powder. These are eyeshadows. So here we have the eyeshadow, the 6-band eyeshadows. At the top we have 3 6-band palettes, and then we have 5 eyeshadow trios, and we also have a double-sided eyeshadow brush. Let me show you the brush. This is the first 6-band eyeshadow, which is called Mauve Mode, and you also have names of each shade in the back of the palette. Mauve Mode, Tailored Nudes, again all the names in the back and also the name of the palette. Ooh, I love this one. This is my kind of story. Nice neutrals with warm shades. So last one of the 6-band eyeshadows, this one is called Underslated. Another nude palette, but this one has more cool tones, and there's also a black shade in this one. So now moving on to the eyeshadow trios. First one we have is called Two-Lay Order, and just like the 6-band eyeshadows, they also have the name of the palettes in the back as well as the shade names. These palettes are so small and cute, and I love that all of them have their own individual mirror as well. This next one is called Dream Sequence. This next one is called Jean Spirited. This one we have is called Cut to the Lace. For the last one of the trios, this is the this one is called Jewel Intentions. So that's it for the Morphe palettes. We have the 6 bands like I mentioned and the eyeshadow trios. This is the last package from Morphe, which is very exciting because these are makeup brushes. So first we have is this really good quality cup. I thought this was like a little plastic cup, and because I got a cup in a package from a company before and it was a paper cup, so it wasn't a cup that you could actually use to like put drinks in or anything, but this is a good proper quality cup. So we have 2 sets. We have the Ice Mocha 4-piece brush set, and we also have the Oat Latte 5-piece face and eye brush set. So I'm going to first start with the eye smoker set. So this is how the eye smoker set looks. 4 brushes. In the back they have the different brushes and the names and also what they're best used for. The first brush we have is the M110, which is the small domed foundation brush, and this is perfect for powder, creams and liquid products. Next we have the M163 paddle powder brush, and this is perfect for powders. This is the M205 small rounded cream and liquid blush brush. This is perfect for creams and liquid products. And now the last brush in this set is the M136 slim paddle concealer brush, and this is perfect for creams and liquids. This is a really nice concealer brush. It's very flat and firm. Nice. So now we're going to do the oat latte brush set. We have a nice little makeup bag. We have a blending sponge. We have 4 brushes. Right, so the first brush is the M166 medium pointed powder brush, and this is perfect for powders. Next we have the M246 medium slanted cream and liquid bronzer brush, and this is great for applying cream and liquid products. This is a nice multi-use brush. I would also use this for foundation. Next we have the M303 large paddle packer eyeshadow brush, and this is great for powders, creams and liquids. We have the M332 medium rounded blender eyeshadow brush, and this is great for powders, creams and also liquids. That's it for the brushes. The last package that I have is from Smashbox Cosmetics. I love Smashbox because they're very big on primers, so I always have like new primers to try. So this is the Smashbox 3 seconds to better makeup. So this is literally a whole primer vault. So here we have 6 different primers for all your skin needs. So regardless of what your skin type or skin concerns may be, you have a primer for everybody in this world. First one we have is the anti-redness, which neutralizes redness, soothes visible irritation, and it's safe for sensitive skin. Next we have the SPF Invisible 45 UVA/UVB protection, no white cast, non-greasy, and is perfect for all skin types. Next one we have is the Smooth and Blur, which is their #1 primer. This is one of my favorite primers because it really helps to like just blur out your pores and whatever texture you may have on your skin to just give like a nice smooth finish to your makeup. So yes, this is the original #1 primer, and this smooths and blurs fine lines and texture. It's oil free and it's perfect for all skin types. Next we have the oil control primer, which instantly mattifies, 12-hour oil control on the makeup, and this is perfect for oily or combination skin. Next one is called the Pore Vanishing Primer, and this has a 12-hour makeup hold, blurs pores, no white cast, and is perfect for all skin types. The last primer is called the Hydrating Primerizer Plus, and it's silicone free, 72-hour hydration, and this is perfect for normal to dry skin. So regardless of what skin type or so you may have, you can always find a primer perfect for you from the Smashbox line. So that's the end of my little PR haul. I hope you all enjoyed. If you have tried like any of these products that I showed here today, let me know what are your favorites, or like if there are any that you would like to try. Thank you all so much for watching my video, and I will see you all in my next one.